Hello and welcome to my channel. This here is my Huina 1580 V4. I made a modification to the Jackhammer attachment. I drilled a little hole, added a nail, tried to make it actually usable, because you know, the rounded tip and such a wide diameter, it really isn't good for anything other than for show. So I wanted to see if I could make it functional. Now I've turned it on. See if we can get a better look at this here. It's been pretty cold here. We got a snow that turned to rain and then froze, and it hasn't been above freezing since. So we're gonna give this a shot on some of the ice left from when I ran the snowblower, and we'll see how it goes. Now you can see here's some of the ice that was left over. It's solid. So we'll get the loader over here and the excavator, and we'll give it a whirl. Gets on a little bit of an angle and it kind of gets jammed up, but it is chipping through the ice. As you can see, it does actually function at chipping away at the ice. Now it could be good as a maybe the small cement blocks, or if you have something made from something like plaster of Paris. But it works. Thanks for watching.